Then you have a handheld capper. So this goes on the bottle. And you can just basically buy various types of caps. Now you need to make sure you have the right cap size for the right bottle that you have. And of course, the bottle. This is a 500ml bottle. Cap on top, capper closes it, and then you have your bottled beer. Now, 2 barrels. So you have this plastic, 2 plastic ones. One, this is actually Young's brews. So you have one, it's just a container. The lids are like this, they have the little hole, because in the little hole, that's where you put your airlock. And this one, it's full of water at the minute, but you can see at the base, it has the tap. So one of the reasons it has water in it is because I'm preparing a new brew. So if you're using tap water or water from tap sources, sometimes you can have different smell or stuff in it. So it's best to fill it up and just let it sit for a few days. Or you can buy tablets, Camden tablets or various tablets, Muntons, Young's brews. I'll show you online where you can get these things. And you can put that in the water if you want to rush it up. But I like to try and do it with as minimal additives as possible. Now, that's the basic equipment. You can buy a lot of this equipment in a starter kit. And I will put a link and show you where you can get that. But that there is all possible in a kit.